Good day once again, my friends. Myself Sanjeev Puri,
And I am Pankaj Sharma.
and I welcome you all to a very exciting session of service of various kind of beverages. Today we are going to talk about liqueurs. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand how to serve different type of liqueurs in various styles.
When we talk about liqueurs, then liqueurs are flavored and sweetened spirit. By saying flavored and sweetened, which means we have a base, a spirit, which can be anything. Basically, it can be rum, a whiskey, or a neutral spirit. We add flavors in that. Flavors can be anything. It can be herbs, spices, bark, or fruits. Many flavors comes, and then sweetness. And in sometimes we can also add coloring in that.
When we talk about the service of liqueurs, liqueurs are very exciting. These are the drinks that are necessarily served after the dinner, but not necessarily dinner. Various cocktails can also come out from the various liqueurs that we're going to be talking about. And after the end of the session, this is going to be really knowledgeable for all of you.
Various styles of service of liqueurs are: one is frappe. When we call frappe means with crushed ice, lot of crushed ice, and the other one is neat.
For any successful service to be complete, you need to be aware of the equipments that are being used, and they should be in proper condition.
For the service of liqueurs, we need a salver to carry the things to the table, and ice crusher. Ice crusher for the frappe service. For frappe service, we need martini glass, and for neat, we have liqueur glass. In our case, if we don't have liqueur glass, then we can use different shot glasses.
Liqueur service is very interesting. Like Mr. Pankaj talked to you about straight and frappe. Frappe means over crushed ice, but there are certain liqueurs that we see in front of us. One is absinthe. This liqueur is served in a very typical manner, and it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to be prepared. I've heard in certain cities in Czechoslovakia, Prague in particular, you have to book your absinthe drink and wait for it for 45 minutes. What happens is, you put a sugar cube on an absinthe spoon which is perforated, and you let chilled water come drop by drop through the sugar cube till the time all of it dissolves and the glass is filled up. This is how your absinthe is going to be served. Then we have Jägermeister, a very typical liqueur with more than 135 herbs. This is served at a temperature of minus 18 degrees centigrade. But the best part about this liqueur is, even if you drink it at minus 18 degrees centigrade, when it goes into your stomach, you feel the warmth coming through. And believe me, with the place where it is from, this drink is served in glasses made out of ice.
Now, coming to service of liqueurs, the two major styles which we discussed earlier was neat, which is like straight, and the other one gonna be frappe. And since dinner is already served and it's the after dinner drink, and guests have ordered for the Baileys regular, that's 30 ml. So we'll see how we'll execute service of Baileys ice cream neat. Again, since it's a beverage, from right hand side, right foot forward, salver appropriate distance from the guest. Excuse me, sir. That's your drink. This is Baileys ice cream.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you, sir. We have already seen how liqueur is served straight up. Now we are going to discuss and show you how we serve liqueur in a frappe way. Frappe means over crushed ice. What we have done, we have taken a martini glass and filled it up with crushed ice. There are two ways of serving a liqueur on a frappe. What you can do is, you can either get liqueur poured over the crushed ice from the bar itself. But sometimes the guest might think that the drink is not in the proper measure. So what you do is, you get the liqueur separately, the crushed ice separately in the martini glass along with the coaster. Now we start off with the service of a frappe. Excuse me, sir. We place the coaster, we place the martini glass with the crushed ice, and we pour the liqueur over the crushed ice, announcing what the guest has already ordered. Sir, your Baileys ice cream, 30 ml. While serving this drink as a frappe, the guest can simply sip off the Baileys from the glass itself, or if required, he can ask for a straw which can be provided to the guest.